Ladies and gents, welcome back. We are getting a little break in the rain, finally. It has been raining for the last day and a half. We got that atmospheric river came through. We got 6 inches of rain in about 26 hours. So let's go take a look at the creek. And I was thinking maybe we'd just go for a little three-wheeler romp today. I have a few projects I've been working on in the garage, but really nothing video worthy. My mom's out, so kind of been, doing the family stuff. But yeah, let's check out the creek and go for a romp. My goodness, would you just get a look at this? The water's almost up to the bench, which it was last night. It was all the way up to the bench to the wood, almost. But it's flowing pretty good. Let's go take a walk over and look at the waterfall. So this is a little bit of a bummer here. My bank is starting to wash away. We're gonna have to add some dirt this summer and reinforce it. But would you look at those whitewater rapids? Oh my goodness. If I was a kayaker, well, I probably still wouldn't go in there. That looks dangerous as hell. Yeah, the waterfall is just rocking and rolling. My goodness. That water is just coming out of the hill like crazy. It must have been pretty windy last night because, one, the power went out, and two, that's a pretty good sized branch, and it's not the only one. There's a lot of fresh branches down. So this is something we're gonna have to really address this year, is all this sitting water in the wintertime. In the summertime, it's no big deal because it doesn't rain here in the summer, but I don't like all this sitting water, so I'm thinking that we're gonna bring in some dirt and some gravel and raise this up a little bit. So yeah, I had a pretty fun little three-wheeler romp today. I got some more work done on the clock. It's almost finished. I got it welded up today. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Got one thing left to do on that, and it's finished. But yeah, it's a pretty chill day. Had some fun splashing around. Played with the bull taco a little bit. Didn't make too much progress. We're gonna tackle some stuff on that tomorrow. As always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you on the next one.